welcome back to Electric Tornado. Today we're going to be going over our severe weather outlook for the next few days. I was not going to make a video today, but I decided I wanted to because this weather took another darn turn. So let's go ahead and get into our weather outlook for the next few days, including a new tropical storm in the Atlantic named Dexter. Over here we had Alvin, we had Barry, and then we had Calvin, and then not Calvin. Then we had Chantal, and then we have Dexter. So yeah, we do have a tropical storm, Dexter, over here in the Atlantic. It's going up this way actually. It's actually going up into the colder waters. Looks like it's gonna get even near London, but yeah, actually that's pretty long way. Never mind. But anyway, Tropical Storm Dexter is not supposed to cause anything to the United States, but this thing does have potential to do something to the United States. We do have a tropical disturbance over here. Day 2, 0% chance of development. Day 7, 30% chance of development. So let's read what this says. Off the southeastern United States, a broad area of low pressure is forecast to develop in a couple of days, a few hundred miles off the coast of the southeastern United States. Some gradual development of the system is possible during the middle or later portion of this week as the system drifts slowly westward and northwestward. So we should just be watching this little yellow circle, I should say, for possible tropical storm development. There's a pretty low chance, but if it does develop, it would be in the future. Everything. Yeah, we do got another tropical disturbance over here, which is day 2, 0% chance of development, and day 7, 50% medium. Let's see what it says. It says Central Tropical Atlantic. A tropical wave moving off the west coast of Africa is currently producing only limited shower activity. In a few days, environmental conditions are forecast to become favorable for gradual development of this system. And a tropical depression could form by latter portion of this week as it moves generally northwestward across the central tropical Atlantic. There's a low chance for development within 2 days so far, but that's normal. You can see one within 2 days. And yeah, we got another tropical disturbance back here, and we still got 8E over here in the Pacific as that thing also developed. I don't know what it's going to be named, but yeah, let's get into the severe weather outlook for the next few days, including a heat wave that's going on near Phoenix, Arizona. So let's get into it. Let's talk about the heat wave that we have in Phoenix, Arizona today. As we do have a pretty big heat wave going through here. This is over here by Phoenix in this area. As we can see, like extreme heat, even get up to a chance of 117, even a possibility. This is very dangerous, and look at this, 102 and 111. That's crazy. So if you're anywhere in the circle, like this whole circle, pretty much anywhere in the United States, if you're in the circle, make sure to stay extra hydrated, as this is very hot over here. Stay hydrated. Recommend avoiding strenuous activities and all this kind of stuff that goes back there. But let's get into our severe weather outlook for the next few days. So today is August 4th. So let's start with our day 1 outlook for August 4th. As we do have a slight risk expanding from Nebraska all the way through South Dakota into Montana, where some scattered severe weather will be a possibility. And concern will be strong winds and everything like that. But we do have a chance to see some tornadoes today, as we do have 2 little tornado risks. First one is over here by Nebraska, and the second one is over here by the panhandle of Oklahoma. It's a very small one, but still over there. It's like right there, where some isolated tornado or 2 will be a possibility. There will also be an isolated tornado or 2 being a possibility up here in this tornado risk right here, which includes the bigger cities of North Platte and those kinds of cities. And then we do have a wind risk today, which is in the same area as a slight risk is in. So that expands from Montana all the way into Nebraska through South Dakota. So winds up to 60 miles per hour or 55 to 70 miles per hour will be a possibility within this area. We also do have a hatched hail risk for North Platte, McCook, Sidney, Alliance, Badlands National Park, Spearfish, Rapid City, and a lot of these locations even near those. So if you're in any of those locations or near those locations, recommend parking your car in a garage so it doesn't get damaged by hail and everything like that. Some also small hail will also be possible in Montana today. So yes, guided severe weather will be a possibility in there. Some supercells will also be possible. And you see this green thing going around it? That's a marginal risk. It's a level 1 out of 5. Or some severe weather will be a possibility. It'd be scattered since it's a marginal risk, so yeah. But yeah, tornado is possible down all the way down here, and this tornado is possible in Nebraska. So that's our day 1 outlook for today, August 4th. Let's get into our day 2 outlook for August 5th, which is tomorrow on Tuesday. Which we do have a slight risk over here for parts of South Dakota and North Dakota, including Pierre and Bismarck, where some severe weather will be a possibility. We don't have a tornado risk outlined by the Storm Prediction Center this day, though we do have a wind risk outlined today. For tomorrow, with 55 to 70 miles per hour winds will be a possibility, and then some hail will also be a possibility. So if you live in Pierre, this location is Faith, Dupree, Moakridge, Laughlin, Lemon, Carson, or Ma, Reagan, Elgin, Hettinger. Anywhere in these locations, I recommend parking your car in a garage so it doesn't get damaged by hail. And then yeah, we do get a marginal risk going around it as well, which is the green thing, where some scattered severe weather will be a possibility for tomorrow. Let's look at our day 3 outlook for August 6th, 2025. For August 6, 2025, we have a marginal risk expanding from Kansas and parts of Colorado all the way up here into Montana. Into Minnesota, where some severe weather will be a possibility. Some scattered severe weather will also be a possibility, and everything like that. So yeah, So that was our risk for the next few days. Got everything down. We still got our rain continuing down here, which is kind of concerning for flooding. There's some heavy rainfall will also even be a possibility in some places around here. So any of these areas you guys could see some rain, I'd recommend. If you guys are in this circle, I think you guys should be fine for a little while. Down here by Houston, though, you guys in Houston are actually getting you guys are about to get slammed by some rain. So yeah, and over there by Panama City into Georgia into South Carolina, you guys are getting some rain and everything. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. I'll be camping through August 6th to the 10th. So yeah, bye. Have a good day.